Hi, today we are going to unbox and give a review of our Whirlpool 240 liters frost-free 3-door refrigerator with a German steel color variant. The model name of this refrigerator is FP263D Photon Roy. We had purchased this refrigerator for Rs 17,600 in the Amazon Diwali sale. We had struck the deal by exchanging our old refrigerator, which fetched 1700 rupees, plus there were additional discounts. The actual price of this refrigerator during the Diwali season sale was 22,900, and at the time of making this video the price is around 24,900. This is a very energy efficient refrigerator as advertised, and going by the sticker pasted on it, it consumes lesser energy than a CFL bulb of 60 watts, making it one of the most energy efficient refrigerator in its class. This is a Whirlpool Photon series freestanding type installation refrigerator. The new Photon World series is a step ahead of other refrigerators, first of its kind with intelligent cooling powered by the most innovative technology ever. In fact, unlike any other machine, Photon senses the change in temperature outside and the amount of load inside and changes its cooling accordingly. Therefore, your stored food items gets the perfect cooling even while the temperature changes. As I said, the capacity of this 3-door refrigerator is 240 liters, ideal for a 3 to 5 member family. It comes with a 1-year warranty on the product and 10 years on the compressor. The main advantage of this refrigerator is that it is frost free. That is, it doesn't need to be defrosted every now and then. Also, it doesn't require any stabilizer. This 3-door refrigerator variant provides advantage of better cooling retention, no hot air mixing, and a 32 liter space for fruits and vegetables. There are 3 toughened glass shelves which can withstand 90 kilograms of weight. The outer part of this refrigerator body is steel. This retains 2 times freshness with 6 Sense Active Fresh technology with India's first exclusive bottom drawer for vegetables and fruits. Microblock prevents up to 99% of bacteria growth, keeping fruits and vegetables fresher for longer. It has a customized cooling technology advanced temperature control knob for adjusting temperature of different delicacies in the chiller. Other features include moisture retention technology, ice twister and collector, stabilizer pre-operation, zeolite technology, microblock technology, air booster, magic light, and above all, it is energy efficient. Year of its first release was 2019. The dimensions are 68.7 cm in length, 55.9 cm in width, and 162.9 cm in height. The overall weight is around 52.9 kgs. Let's talk about the special features in detail. Moisture retention technology. This Photon refrigerator comes with the moisture retention technology that circulates cold air around the compartment. The cold air flows around the compartment, retains the moisture and freshness of the content. The ABS or the air booster system comes with a powerful sensor with advanced microprocessor automatically senses the change in outside temperature as well as the load inside and then adjusts the cooling appropriately, especially during the change in seasons and when there is too much to store, and keep optimal and uniform temperature in the cabinet zone required. Energy efficient. As said, it consumes less energy than a CFL 60 watt bulb, making it one of the most energy efficient refrigerator in its class. This means during the day it consumes about 1 to 2 units per day, but varies upon how much you open and close the door. A zeolite technology, which means it has a mineral named zeolite that has the property to absorb water vapor while releasing heat at the same time. It prevents excessive ripening of fruits and vegetables, thereby keeping them fresher for longer. Microblock technology, unique antimicrobial additive which prevents up to 99% bacteria growth, keeps fruits and vegetables fresh for longer. The refrigerator has zone comes with a customizable temperature knob for storing delicacies like cheese, berries, chocolates and other dairy products. The compartment comes right below the freezer door and on the top of the middle section of the refrigerator. Magic light. India's first LED illuminated panel that is optimally positioned provides brilliant light to every corner of the refrigerator. Hence, even if the refrigerator is fully loaded, everything is clearly visible. Also, the life of a LED is significantly longer than the ordinary light bulbs. A 32-liter extra compartment has a unique and separate storage zone created for fruits and vegetables. It prevents odor mixing with other edibles. Ice twister dispenses and collects ice cubes conveniently inside the collector box with easy twist action. Airflow controller. This is the freezer section of the refrigerator, controls the distribution of cold air between the refrigerator and the freezer section. Replacement of deodorizer in the middle section. This should be ideally replaced in every 6 months. This is available in Whirlpool service center. Tap out the deodorizer cover and replace it. Replacement of a fresh keeper in the vegetable and fruit section. This should be ideally replaced in every 6 months for optimal performance. This is also available in Whirlpool service center.